So for today's video, we are going to talk about how to make copyright-free music through SoundDraw. Music brings life to any type of content, and we all know how time-consuming it is to find the right music that will fit the theme of our projects, whether it be for a short presentation, a video, or a podcast. SoundDraw is an AI music generator that allows you to create and compose original, royalty free music, which you can use to elevate your content or projects. Create your own custom tunes and music with SoundDraw by customizing the length, tempo, composition, instruments, and genre of music. SoundDraw makes it easy for you to create your own unique music with a few simple clicks with its AI music generator. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to sounddraw.io website. So for us to be able to use all the features in this app, we are going to need to sign up. And when we are going to sign up, there is an available plan for us. It's either annual plan or monthly plan. And also there are different payment methods, so we can pay via PayPal or via credit card. So for you to be able to use all of the features that you want in this website, then it's better for you to sign up. So since we are not going to avail one of those plans, then we are just going to go directly and create music. And it means that there are features that are not going to be available. So just click create music. And here, so we are going to start with the length of our music. So we have few choices here. So we have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and so on and so forth. So we are just going to click 15 seconds. And we are just going to select the tempo of our song. So we are going to click on normal. So we are going to start generating our music. So we are going to start with the mood. So there are plenty of moods to choose from. So you have there angry, busy and frantic, dark, dreamy, elegant, epic, euphoric, fear, funny or weird, glamorous, happy, heavy and ponderous, romantic, restless, peaceful, mysterious, laid back, hopeful, running, sad, scary, sentimental, sexy, smooth, and suspense. So there's a lot of moods to choose from. Okay, so we are going to choose the mood happy. And as you can see, there are a few songs that are available that fits our mood. So we're just going to listen from them. So we are going to look for another music. So you can choose from the suggested music here. So for the instruments, you have an option as to what instrument you are going to include in your music. So you can just unselect those that are not needed in your music that you don't want to be included. So let's say electric guitar and bell, mallet or Malay, ethnic, and select that one. For the tempo, let's say we are going to choose, this time it's going to be slow. So you can always edit your music here, and they are going to generate the music that will fit into your choice. And for the theme, we are going to choose nature. There, it's generating while we are editing our music. And let's try to listen. I kind of not like feel that one. No, this one's a bit nice. Alright, so this time we are going to try to change the theme of our music just to explore more themes here since there's a lot of themes to choose from. So we have ads and trailers, broadcasting, cinematic, corporate, comedy, whatever themes that you want. So you can choose from. So this time we are going to choose horror. And as you can see, it is generating. So we are going to try to add or remove some instruments. So let's click on instruments. So this time we are going to add an electric guitar, add a voice, and we are going to remove mallet and acoustic. And if you've noticed, as we are editing our music, it is generating just to fit into the music that we want. And we are going to try to listen some more. Right? So you can always combine different themes here to fit into the music that you want to produce. So we are going to click Pro mode. So this time you are going to be able to adjust the melody, the backing, the bass, the drum, the fill, and the length, the BPM, the instruments that you want to add. You can reset, and then the key. So you can adjust the key here and the volume of the melody, the backing, the bass, the drum, and so on and so forth. So once you're good with that music, you want to use that music already, then just click on download music. And as you can see, for us to be able to download the music that we've made, we need to create an account in SoundDraw. So that's it. That's how you can make a copyright music. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.